Hello, thank you for previewing my listing. If you would like to schedule an appointment to see this home, please contact me and I will be happy to arrange this for you. Attractively remodeled 3-bedroom 2-bath home situated close to Ramona Expressway. The spacious floor plan also includes a den that can be an office or 4th bedroom. Vaulted ceilings lend an expansive feel to this home. The living room features built-in niches for art and storage. The cozy fireplace is sure to get plenty of use this time of year. Upgrades include vinyl dual-pane windows, newly remodeled bathrooms with new tile flooring, marble-topped vanities, lighting and fixtures, laminate wood floors, new carpet, Nest thermostat, upgraded baseboards and a new aluma wood patio cover. The hall bath offers Jack and Jill access to one of the bedrooms. The open kitchen provides an abundance of counter space, ample cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. Pot shelves and graceful archways are examples of the architectural details included in this home. The 4,000 square feet lot offers a nice patio for entertaining.